How to screen share on Instagram call. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up your Instagram application, make sure that you're logged into your account, then tap on the profile where you want to screen share over here. So just make a call over here, or you can also receive the call if that call comes from the other person. So just tap on join and you'll be able to connect with each other. After connecting, what you can see is this over the bottom of the screen. Tap on that. Tap on the share option over here. Now, as tap on the screen share option, you'll be given a pop-up of start broadcasting with Instagram. You just have it tap on start now and be able to show screen. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.